It was a problem morning on the Missouri of mainland. Wilbert was unheadache. Then he saw Gordon was pulling an express coaches. "Whoa!" he cried. "Do you have an actage?" Wilbert asked. "You know, I want to stand away." But until Wilbert was sending into the train yards, many boxcars and hopper cars are delightfully are loaded with dynamites, explosives, flammables, and firecrackers and fireworks. Any time they shouldn't stated out of time. Until Wilbert was seeing it. "Look at it," Wilbert said. "I will need any fireworks?" "Okay then." "Sure." She watched as Wilbert was getting uncoupled or coupled any boxcars. Then he stand into the caboose. Off we go. Wilbert instantly placing our distance. As Wilbert went to a siding, he was going up to the tall hill. Wilbert was going down the hill until anything happened. It was a spectacle. Norfolk Southern fireworks for a special day. Wilbert was going too fast ahead until there was trouble ahead. There's a bend, and there was a power plant ahead, but Wilbert couldn't able to stop in time, just in time. The 6 more boxcars was uncoupled and Bentley train, and then it being all siding of loss of time until the boxcars was going to crash until it was too late. Luckily, no one was hurt, but the boxcars was on fire. "What happened?" asked Wilbert. Before he checked out the crew, he saw a horrifying fire. The fireworks will explode into the power plant of chemical whole station. "Help! It's on fire!" He tried to stand there instead of the tracks, but until anything happened, he didn't stay alive until he wasn't technically just in time. "Oh no!" Wilbert cried. "What happened?" he asked. Until he stayed away from the site, she couldn't stand it out of the way. They couldn't get them away until anything happened at once. They couldn't want it to stand it out of my way. But luckily, I couldn't survive because I wanted who would it be? When you grow up, what would it be? Who is that? Okay then, I'll stay here until the boxcars are repaired, and Wilbert was happy at all of those. "Hooray for Wilbert!" he shouted. It was for the end of the day. Yeah, don't you think so?